social.
Now let's head over to the nation's capital, Washington. Bureau Chief Ace Ramirez shares with us information about the mRNA COVID-19 vaccine. Ace?
Thank you, Anna. mRNA vaccine, should we take it or not? With the expected rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine in the US this week, the huge question looming in the mind of the people is, should I take it or not? Let's do a quick Vaccine 101. What's a vaccine? According to the Maryland Department of Health, in conjunction with the Center for Disease Control, a COVID vaccine is one way to prevent serious illness due to COVID-19. The vaccine causes your body to create antibodies without getting sick with the COVID-19 disease. You've probably heard this before, mRNA or messenger ribonucleic acid vaccine technology. That is something new, but it's not unknown. They've been studied for more than a decade. This technology is what the COVID-19 vaccine is using. It tricks the body into making the viral protein which triggers an immune response to the virus that causes COVID-19. According to a report by the Horizon, a European Union research and innovation magazine, human trials of cancer vaccines using the same mRNA technology have been taking place since at least 2011. mRNA can most easily be described as instructions for the cell on how to make a piece of the spike protein that is unique to SARS-CoV-2. Since only part of the protein is made, it does not do any harm to the person vaccinated, but it is antigenic, meaning it stimulates an immune response. mRNA vaccines do not contain a live virus and do not carry a risk of causing disease in the vaccinated person. They carry no risk of causing disease in the person vaccinated. Now, the question one would ask would be, why do I need it? I'm wearing a mask, I do social distancing, why do I need to be vaccinated? The Maryland Department of Health encourages having vaccinated because stopping a pandemic requires using all the tools available. Yes, covering your mouth and nose with a mask and staying at least 6 feet away from others help reduce your chance of being exposed to the virus or spreading it to others. But the vaccines work with your immune system, so your body will be ready to fight the virus if you are exposed. Together, COVID-19 vaccination and following CDC's recommendations to protect yourself and others will offer the best protection from COVID-19. A lot are worried, are they safe? Although the development of the mRNA vaccine can be considered at record warp speed of less than a year, the U.S. vaccine safety system ensures that all vaccines are as safe as possible. They undergo numerous rigorous clinical trials using thousands of study participants to generate data and other information for the Food and Drug Administration to determine their safety and effectiveness before approval or authorized for emergency use. Following approval or authorization, safety monitoring systems are implemented to watch possible side effects. Now the next question would be 1 or 2. How many doses do I need? And why do I need it? The Maryland Department of Health and CDC say it depends on the type of vaccine that is administered. The coronavirus vaccines being studied are evaluating 1 or 2 doses. When giving 2 doses, they are usually given approximately 1 month apart. It's possible that some vaccines will require 1 dose, while others may require 2 doses. It's also possible that over time, additional doses of vaccine may be needed to provide continued protection. In Gaithersburg, Maryland, I'm Ace Ramirez. We live in interesting times.
Thank you, Ace. Who are the priorities to receive the vaccine?
Good question, Anna. The Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices, or ACIP, and other experts will provide recommendations on priority groups and when groups should be vaccinated. Guidance on determining and providing the vaccine to priority groups will be based on the principles included in the Center for Disease Control. Visit the CDC's website for more information about ensuring the safety of COVID-19 vaccines in the U.S., including information about specific vaccine monitoring systems. As we speak, Moderna, one of the big pharmas, has confirmed that the following supply agreements have committed orders to the U.S. 200 million doses with option for an additional 300 million doses. Back to you, Anna.